Hello everyone, greetings to all. In this video, we will be doing the summary of the chapter The Thief's Story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. The story tells us how love and kindness can change a thief or a criminal. Anil is a young man who is kind, considerable, and sympathetic person, and Hari Singh, the thief, who is thief by profession, joins Anil in a view to rob him. Anil was a young writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for the magazines and earning the money to run his life. Both of them met at a wrestling match. Hari best knew how to make unknown person a friend. He used an old formula to flatter the person. He took Anil into his confidence. Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. He also taught him how to cook food. Daily, Hari Singh used to go to market to buy groceries. Anil used to give 50 rupees note to him, and out of those 50 rupees note, he had profit of 1 rupee daily. Anil knew it, but he did not mind it. Both were living together happily. 1 month passed. Hari Singh did not perform his business. One day he saw Anil had brought a bundle of notes. As he had sold a book to a publisher, he saw him to put them under the mattress. As Hari saw the bundle of notes, his evil spirit awakened in his mind, and he decided to rob Anil that night. Anil, after taking dinner, slept peacefully. Hari could not sleep. He woke up. He crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He found the notes and ran away on the road. Hari Singh made up his mind that he would directly go to the railway station and would catch the Lucknow Express. He thought that Anil would not catch him if he ran away from the city. Hari Singh reached the railway station. Lucknow Express was about to go. Suddenly, the good spirit called him. The inner voice told him not to betray the faith of Anil. The train was moving, but Hari did not dare to catch it. He was remembering the innocent face of Anil. When Hari thought that what would Anil think about him, Anil would not worry about the money. But he might feel bad that a man had broken his faith. There was conflict in the mind of Hari Singh. He did not want to lose faith of Anil because he knew that Anil was a simple man. Moreover, Anil was teaching him how to write and add numbers which could change his life. He could become a respected person in the society. He left the railway station. He came to the Maidan and sat on the bench. Just then, heavy rain started. It was the month of November. Chill winds started blowing. He felt more uncomfortable as he had cheated an innocent person. His shirt and pajamas stuck to his body because it was wet due to the rain. Then he went to the clock tower to save from the rain. He sat there under the tower. Suddenly he remembered his notes. He searched for it and found that all the notes were wet. He decided to go back to Anil. He entered in the room and saw Anil was still sleeping. He crept into his bed and secretly put back the money under the mattress. The next day, Anil woke up, prepared tea for Hari and himself. He handed over 50 rupees note to Hari and told him that he would be regularly paid now. Hari took the note and found that it was still wet. Anil knew about the whole act as the notes were still wet from the last night's rain, but he did not give any impression that he knew about it. Hari Singh knows that he has betrayed his master's trust, but Anil never made any issue out of it. This sympathetic attitude of his had a great impression on the thief. So, the thief mends his way and helps himself getting transformed into a good man. So, the moral of the story is the human values and relations are important in life, and such values can change a person too. Thank you.